Quick tutorial how to activate your GChat. First thing first, dapat meron na kayong GCash account at verified na din. First, buksan nyo yung GCash app ninyo. You have to enter your 4-digit PIN code. And once na-open nyo na, makikita nyo yung inbox. Pindutin nyo lang. And then, magpa-pop up si GChat. Click nyo lang yung Enable GChat. And then, tick the box to agree to the terms and condition. Another screen will pop. You have to click Start Chat. And if contact access is turned off, just tap Go to Settings to enable it. Once grant na yung permission kay contacts, balik lang kayo kay GCash app. Tap nyo lang yung Start Chat. And then, select nyo lang sa contacts ninyo kung sino yung gusto ninyong i-chat. Ayan. And then, ganito yung itsura niya. Try natin mag-send ng message. Meron din silang featured for Express Send. Kaya lang, as of this moment, hindi pa siya activated. Ito naman yung itsura kapag naka-receive ka ng message from GChat. So, ayan. Pwede kang mag-reply. Quick reminder lang, para ma-message nyo yung isa't isa sa GChat, dapat parehong activated yung GChat ninyo. So, yun lang. Hopefully, it helps. Bye!